Leaving behind the busy city life, two couples return to their village home with their families. Surrounded by familiar sights and warm memories, they plan something special. Together, they prepare to cook delicious dishes, share meals, and relive the beautiful moments of their childhood, celebrating the simple joys of village life with happiness and laughter. While walking, they arrive at an abandoned garden. There, they notice a giant jackfruit hanging from a tree. They decide to use it to prepare a special recipe. Now, they carefully cut the jackfruit and prepare it for cooking. Now, the woman goes to the vegetable garden and collects the necessary vegetables and spices. These will be used for cooking. Now, they chop all the vegetables and spices. Then, they place a large pan on the stove, add oil, and put in the spices and some vegetables. After that, they add the prepared jackfruit pieces and cook them well. At this moment, they take some rice and wash it thoroughly with clean water. The rice is then placed on the stove and cooked until it is perfectly half done. Once ready, the half-cooked rice is carefully layered over the spiced jackfruit mixture. The rich aroma builds as fried onions are sprinkled on top, followed by a generous drizzle of ghee. Slowly, the pot is covered, allowing everything to cook together, transforming into a fragrant and flavorful jackfruit biryani. The husband goes out for a walk on the village road with his son. Suddenly, the child notices a fruit tree and gets excited. The father climbs the tree, picks some fruits, and gives them to his son, who happily starts eating. With all the cooking done, the wife now prepares some fresh salad. Then, they beautifully arrange the food, and the husband, wife, and their son sit together to enjoy their meal. After their meal, the husband and wife gather their child and begin their journey back toward the city. As they travel, they take in the peaceful beauty of the village one last time. The green fields, the quiet roads, and the calm breeze, holding on to these simple, beautiful moments.